whether the gas is ideal or not. Okay. So another parameter which we use, the ideal condition of a gas is compressibility factor. It is generated like this. We know that PV is equal to RT, right? This is what we call ideal gas equation. So if any gas is following this equation, we call it as ideal gas. So if you take PV by RT, it is supposed to be 1, provided it is ideal gas. We know that none of the gas is ideal. So the value will be other than 1. It could be greater than 1 or it could be less than 1. So whatever, we will not write 1, we will write Z. Z is what we call compressibility factor. By looking at the value of Z, you can say whether the gas is ideal or not. And they are asking, which is the van der Waals equation if the pressure is very low. So first we have to write the van der Waals equation. What is that? A by V square, V minus B is equal to RT, right? If the pressure is very low, what about the volume? What about the volume? It's very high. Volume is very high. When volume is very high, we will neglect what? This B. Then the equation will be P plus A by V square into V is equal to RT. So that you can write PV is equal to A by V is equal to RT. The whole, in order to get the Z, what you have to do? The whole equation you have to divide by RT. So PV by RT is equal to A by RTV, PV by RT plus A by RTV is equal to RT by RT. And this RT by RT could be written as 1. Then what is, so we will take A by RTV this side, A by RTV. Then this, what is this PV by RT? PV by RT is equal to Z. So Z is equal to 1 by A by RTV. So which option is correct? A option is correct. The next one. This is from organic chemistry. In the reaction CH3COOH, it is reduced by using lithium aluminum hydrate, and you got a product that is treated with PCl5. You got a product that is B, and it is treated with alcoholic KOH. What is the final product? That's what the question. If you are treating CH3CO2H with lithium aluminum hydrate, as its name mentions, it is a very good reducing agent, and it could be used for transferring the CO group of acid to CH2. What will happen? This oxygen will get hydrated and it will give H2O, and this carbon will get hydrogenated, not hydrated, I am sorry, hydrogenated, so that CH3 CH2OH will be the product. CH3 CH2OH. And the next reaction utilize the special relation between phosphorus and oxygen, where when this ethyl alcohol is treated with PCl5, this oxygen will be absorbed by phosphorus and there will be the formation of POCl3, and this hydrogen and the CH2 group both will be facilitated with chlorine, so that you will get CH3 CH2Cl, and we got an alkyl halide. So next the Drungen potash will be coming. So what is the duty of Drungen potash? Elimination reaction. So after elimination, what will be the product? CH2 CH2.